This lesson is on listing the factors of a term that includes variables. So this is just a little different from a previous lesson you learned about listing the factors of a term, except for we're adding the idea of that a variable might be involved too in our monomial factor. So, like we've done in the past already, we are going to start by listing each of the factors of our number in the front here, the coefficient. So the factors of 26, well, we know that 1 is always a factor, and it's 1 times 26. We also know that 26 is divisible by 2. 2 times 13 is 26. There are no other factors of 26. We can go up through some other numbers. Divide by 3. It doesn't divide evenly. 4. Nope. 5. No. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Etc. All the way till we get to 13. There are no other factors of 26. Now below here, what we are actually doing is we're actually expanding our variable part. So expanding the variable part is a little different than actually writing the pairs of factors that when multiplied together gives you 26. We want to think about how, when we learned about power rules, what x squared means. Well, x squared means x times x. So yes, it's similar to the fact that 2 times 3 gives us 26, but it's just a little bit different for when we later find a common factor including the variable. All right, now down here, the second part, we have a 5 for our coefficient. Well, the only factors of 5 are 1 and 5, 1 times 5. And then we have our variable x to the 4th. We're going to expand x to the 4th, and we're going to write x times x times x times x. And that's all there is to it. Nothing super different from what we've done in the past. We're just including our expanded form of our variable part.